Here's a quick tour of the World Modeler screen. There are 5 primary areas in the World Modeler screen, and we'll be going through them one at a time. Let's begin by reviewing them very quickly. There is the data canvas, 3D one diagram, and model diagram area. This is this big space in the center of the screen. There is the model inset area, which we use to select new models at the top. There is an area where we can add various elements to the different kinds of diagrams and models. There's the model browser, and then we have a menu at the top with the usual suspects of various file and view and help options. So let's begin by looking at the model diagram. This is a 2D diagram that corresponds to a 3D diagram that we get by pressing this 3D Run Diagram button. The 3D Run Diagram button can be viewed in the Run tab. If we drag various elements here, we can press the Run button, which runs a time-based simulation, and then we can see how different elements here evolve over time. In the Design tab, we have a number of icons. We can create new 3D run diagrams, new data canvases, and new model diagrams. We can also create new elements in a model diagram, and we can create new elements in the data canvas. A data canvas looks like this. It's a mixture of data visualization elements as well as the same 3D view elements that we can see earlier in their own parts of the screen. Here we can incorporate those on the same view with data visualization as well. This allows us to move levers and visualize through various data visualization mechanisms the impact of those levers, both in terms of colors as well as icons and other types of data visualization. Let's make the model browser bigger by minimizing the add area here. The model browser contains all of our model elements. All of the diagrams are listed here under diagrams. All of these entities that we saw here on a 2D diagram are listed under entity definitions. So you can see a variety of these entities that make up our model. And there's other elements here that we won't go into, such as specialized visualizations, data sources, which is where we do data binding to spreadsheets or databases or information as a service choices, as well as other functionality. Finally, we have a menu that might look pretty familiar at the top here. I'll draw your attention to the Help menu. There's a lot of resources here that will help you learn how to model. And then the File menu allows you to save models and open them both from your own machine as well as from the model repository.